Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing case study for Google Merchant Center account, which was suspended for healthcare and medicine. However, we have restored accounts for misrepresentation, false statement, or website or online store needs improvement, or any other Google Merchant Center account. And just to let you know that me and my name is Ali Raza, and I'm owner of Google Partner Company, and we provide help in restoring the Google Merchant Center account. We also help providing in website development for Shopify or WordPress, and we also help clients with the Google Ads management as well. So in case if you need either of those services, you can hire me and my team. So the link in the description. Specifically for Google Merchant Center restoration plus Google Merchant Center accounts and Shopify website designing service or WordPress website designing service. These are one of few of the core areas where me and my team is working. So now here this is an amazing case study. Now this is the website which was suspended for healthcare and medicine. I will show you the original suspension messages and how we were able to restore by providing an alternate account. However, I'm going to show you a few of the things on the website. So these are the products they are usually selling on the website. You can see over here. I would not rather speak in the video, but you can see yourself in the images. And you can see over here the products sold out, and this is right now this is their FD statement. So whenever there is a new client like this over here arrives, or we check few of the things like the target market they are doing is US. They are from US and they are targeting US, and I'm going to show you a few of the things as well. So let's get started with a few of the original initial suspension messages. So this was a few of the original suspension messages. You can see over here that they had two products which were showing being not approved. You can see over here. So after this and other over here, you can see over here that account suspended for policy violation. You can see over here two products are being the reason, and another way over here we can see that the account is suspended for healthcare and medicine, as I told you in the original video at the start of the video. During the review requested on May 24, Google found this to still to be an issue. Before you request another issue, make sure you meet the account. So client had this issue for a long time. Right now it's 2025, May 2025, and you can see over here that it's been happening for more than a year. The client had an issue right now. So you can understand yourself, okay, so that how long this issue has been presenting for the client. So you can see the verified date from over here, screenshot taken as well, because we started work in March as well. So once this was provided us, what we did was we segmented the website issues, we sorted out website issues, we sorted out the Google Ads account. The Google Ads was working fine. We dislinked it so that the suspension of this doesn't affect the Google Ads suspension account. We worked on the Google business profile, we worked on the Google search control, and we worked with the Shopify for the compliance along on the website. So to verify everything is being done. So when we started with the website, we did a thorough checkout of everything. We looked down for the shipping policy page, we looked down for the return fund policy page, we looked for the images, we looked for the broker link, even we looked for the social media pages, we looked the following, we looked the products promotion, we looked for even the social media about us segment, we looked for the emails, the details, timings matched with the website. We also did a test checkout of selecting the product over here, like selecting over here. We look for the images. We tried adding multiple products. We do everything which you can. We even checked out the payment methods being mentioned over here. Now this is the perfect website, but when we started, a lot of changes were being required over here. So I'm just showing you that we tested out each and everything. We tested the website, we tested the website on different devices to ensure the compliance. And because we have an expertise in website development, so we assisted the client as well, and we plan to further assist as well the client. So now you can see over here that the video checkout, everything is very fast. So everything was being checked. Every page was also being checked. The contact us page, the transparency page, everything. We have 160 plus checklist which we ensure for the compliance of this case study. So I'm going to show you a few of the audits, few of the quick communication which we done, and then how we were able to get it restored. So I'm going to show you a few of the quick audits which my team did. So let's get started on them. So first of all, there were some pages like their home page has a huge image without an excessive blank image without saying anything, and very little text over here. So as a marketer, I feel that we need to optimize the user experience as well. So this also helped in optimizing and getting more sales. Plus, we suggested adding contact information on all pages and footer, including the company name, website name, address, email, phone number, company name, contact form, business hours, response hours, social media icons, so that people have clear-cut clarity on what timings are available, what services you are doing. Then for the shipping policy page, we suggested removing extra spaces. You can see over here that there were too many extra spaces on the shipping policy page, so we did sorted out this. So now multiple audits, multiple things were being done, and now because it's a healthcare and medicine, so we have to get the wordings correct, because the products were not in the healthcare and medicine, but rather it's more like a herbal products. You can see over here that a herbal dietary supplement, so we had to change the context, we had to change the wordings as well. So now each case may be different, so I'm just showing you over here. Also in the last policy suggested, we suggested for shipping policy page, also we suggested for return and refund policy page as well. And these things were still missing because everything needed client approval. Sometimes we can change ourselves, sometimes we need an approval for the client. Apart from the contact us page need to be clickable, sometimes there are placeholders which need to be removed, sometimes there is a malware issue on the website, sometimes there is a theme issue. You have to add for the about us page. We suggest adding this our mission, a note from the CEO, contact information. For the shipping policy page, some things needed to be bold, like your business hours, business days, so that people have an idea when they get their products done. Also for the refund policy page as well. Also, whenever something like this arrives, what we do is we do a comparator analysis when we see what they are doing it. And we also suggested that the images of certification needed a clear visibility. Some stores are selling without mentioning the word challenge, so we suggested because we were doing a comparator analysis, so we looked around for those as well. And most stores have option to add review in the product page, and here there was no option of people doing review for your product, so we suggested adding that as well for the compliance. And for you can see over here that the subscription policy page was useless over here. Plus there was a placeholder being found. Now placeholders are not being allowed. They can found in your contact form, can be found in your plugin or theme. So I don't know why, but Google do not allow placeholders. So this is actually a coding error, and mostly developer knows it. However, we have a developer in our team as well, but some clients prefer to do it their own self as well. And as I told you, like apart from this, issues on Google Search Console, issues on the Shopify, issues on the Google Merchant Center account, all were being looked around as well in this process as well, making it 160 plus checklist. So the placeholder was being found in the contact us page. For shipping policy page, we mentioned the shipping cost before $75 because it was being mentioned on the Shopify website, where they were adding the information in order for the order processing. Plus we suggested adding some highlighting, some email segment, some footer. We also did backlink checks. Here there was a backlink being found, and we got it sorted out through the Google Search Console. And this is the audit section, and I'm also going to show you some chats as well, which my team did. We have a chat support option available as well, because we are a Google partner company. Again, if you need our services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, for either for restoring a Google Merchant Center account, or for website development, or for both. Or we even provide our own Merchant Center account as well here, which we provided as well. So this is a chat communication which we done. And after this, one of their team member suggested us that to upon checking your issue with our wider team, I would like to inform you that upon further review, we found that your account is compliant for healthcare and medicine. So they approved our account. However, in order to remove the suspension from the account, we suggested you please raise a review from the Merchant Center account, which was failed by their automated boot. And then we communicated with them, and as a Google partner, we provide our own Merchant Center account as well, which we provide to them. And over there we have to do the ID verification, and after the ID verification, here this is an approved account. I'm going to refresh in front of you guys so you can see yourself that the products are now being approved, and they are getting organic traffic from Google as well. So yeah, so you can see over here that everything is running fine on our Merchant Center account from some days. So we waited for a few days before even quitting this video. So guys, I have an idea over here. So everything is, your products have been reviewed. Some of your products need. Okay, so you can see over here that everything is being approved and everything is fine, and you can see over here that we are getting it approved for many days before I'm going to create this video. So yeah, this is another successful case study for Google Merchant Center account, which was suspended for medicine and healthcare and medicine. However, if it's suspended for any other reason, including misrepresentation, website or online store needs improvement, false statement, counterfeit, or any other issue, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description, and we look forward to working with you. Apart from this, we also help clients in sorting out their Google ad suspension, Google business profile suspension, Google ads disapprovals. Plus we also help clients for Shopify development, website development. So we do a lot of services, so you are more than welcome to hire us, reach out to us, and we look forward working with you in a long-term collaboration. So I hope you like this case study, and I look forward working with you. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.